I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful pumpkin and sweet potato soup. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, then move on to roasting the vegetables to bring out their natural sweetness. Next, I'll guide you through simmering and blending the soup to achieve a wonderfully smooth consistency. Finally, we'll discuss how to perfectly season and serve your homemade creation for a truly satisfying meal. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of pumpkin or butternut squash, along with 1 pound of sweet potatoes. Make sure to peel and dice these into roughly 1-inch cubes. Also, have on hand 3 cups of vegetable stock, 1 medium onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget olive oil, salt, pepper, and a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg for that perfect warming flavor. Now let's get cooking. First, preheat your oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss your diced pumpkin and sweet potatoes with a drizzle of olive oil, then roast them for about 20 to 30 minutes until tender. While they roast, sauté your diced onion in a pot for 5 minutes, then add minced garlic for 1 minute. Finally, combine the roasted vegetables, sautéed aromatics, and 3 cups of vegetable stock, simmering for 15 minutes to meld the flavors. The final steps bring your delicious soup to life. Use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. If you don't have one, carefully transfer the soup in batches to a regular blender. Once blended, taste and adjust the seasonings with salt, pepper, or a touch more cinnamon. Serve your hot soup with a swirl of heavy cream or a sprinkle of toasted pumpkin seeds for an extra special touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.